Hello guys, today we're doing another EAS alarm reaction video. Starting off with the UK. Let's go guys, part 2. Honestly, if I was in the UK and this came on, I would freak out and go to the basement. It's got that 1 second of static. 3 out of 10. What do you rate it, Mason?
4.
Oh God, Norwegian. What do you rate this one, Mason?
2 out of 10.
I rate this one negative 2 out of 10. I just hate it. Toby, what do you think? He said row. I don't know what that means. Negative 2 out of 10. I'd say negative 2 out of 10. Right, Toby?
Yeah.
Okay, Mason, what do you think?
Negative 2.
Okay, 30 infinity out of 10. I love this one. I would listen to this
1,500 billion out of 10.
I would listen to this one just for a song. Yeah, this one is infinity out of 10. Here, Mason, you take it. I need to go to the bathroom. 3 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10, I guess.
No, you gotta say 10 out of 10. You gotta say what you really think.
Oh, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Okay. Oh my God, I hate this one so much. Sounds like a computer dying. Oh, no, don't look. Don't look. You can't look at TikTok. TikTok's bad for you.
Negative 300.
I am literally negative infinite.
Negative 300 billion.
Is it saying something? Because whatever it is, I can't even hear it. Oh my God. This is so scary.
But that's a negative 300 billion.
Negative infinity.
Shut up, Aaron.
The Russians. It's not that bad, actually.
3 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
3,
4,
3,
4,
3,
4,
3,
3.
3, 4.
It sounds like a police siren that got stabbed 7 times. Can it stop? That just sounds like a vacuum. Doesn't it sound like a vacuum? It really sounds like a vacuum. The Chizek?
10 out of 10, baby.
I actually kind of like that one. Chizek. I think it's Chizek. I'm sorry if I can't read this. By the way, in the last video I said about Japan, I'm not racist. Don't think I am.
I want my 10. I tell you. I want my 10. aliens coming to attack.
Oh, you remember, guys? Aliens coming to attack. Take shelter now. I can already place that. 0 out of 10. Actually, I put it at like 14 out of 10. Like 3 out of 10.
It has 3 billion out of 10.
Do you really like it that much?
I hate it so much. 3 million minus.
I have some questions.
Negative 300,000 billion and 6.
I have some questions about the Brazilian flag. Why do they have like those little star things in there? Bulgarians. It sounds like something they'd put in a horror movie. Ow. Don't worry, guys. I accidentally sat in the bowl.
Yeah. I say this is a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, 6 out of 10. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Ooga booga. Ooga ooga. Pause it. Just use keys. You know, I actually have a friend that used to live in Portuguese. Yeah, he could barely speak English, so I couldn't be friends with him anymore. I was friends with him for like 2 days. Sorry, Papa.
That's like 2 out of 10. Okay, 100 out of 0. Psych Allied, 10 out of it. Oh, God brings Earth is this. Negative 300 billion. It's just a pod. I don't know what to say. It's like a surgery. I'm gonna give that like a 1 out of 10. Wow, that's cool. Keeps on going. Shut up! Can you please? Oh my God. It's it's like a siren head. It's like siren head.
Oh my God, it's real. 0 out of 10. I hate it. Sounds like a ghost.
Yeah, I say that's a negative 3.
I say 2 out of 10.
2. I said negative 3 out of 10. It's like a ghost. Come on, you!
What even is that?
It's like a hospital thing.
Oh, it really is.
It's like
The Indonesian EA EAS alarm is weird.
Yeah, it's like a surgery.
Oh yeah, oh my god. It's even got the hospital colors. 0 out of 10. It's got the hospital colors. It sounds like a heart monitor, and I hate it.
Yeah, 0 out
What
of
are your ratings, Mason?
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10. It sounds like video game music.
Yeah,
Nice one, Hindi.
I love video games, so I'm gonna do that a 10 out
10
of 10.
out of 10 all day. New Zealand, oh my god.
Dogs are around.
10 out of 10.
I guess 10 out of 10.
I just like when you're just like cops coming around. Dutch?
I don't know, that's just like it just
Sounds like a race car.
yeah.
4 out of 10.
Sounds like it seems so.
Negative 16,000 out of 10. I hate it. Actually, no, 4 out of 10 would work.
4 out of
Sounds like a race car. Sounds kind of like Iran, except it doesn't have
4
that
out,
big.
4 out of 16,000.
Yes! Yes, Arabia! Oh, it sounds like something they put in like a pirate video game, huh?
100 billion, 1,600 billion.
30 million out of 10.
Yeah, 30 billion.
Danish.
It sounds like this.
It's like I don't understand it, so I'm giving it a 0 out of 10.
That just comes on TV.
Irish. I don't even know how to describe this word. Sounds kind of like a claw machine.
It sounds like a guitar.
It sounds like a violin, just a very out of tune violin.
It sounds like a guitar.
Iraq.
It sounds like it's in the forest.
This sounds weird.
It sounds the same as the
0 out of 10.
It sounds the same as a ghost.
Oh, it sounds like the Israel one.
Yeah.
0 out of 10.
Yeah, they should be in the same place, right?
0 out of 10. Ukraine. Okay. I don't even know how to describe this one. 0 out of 10.
We have a baby brother and we treat him right. Are we children?
No. We don't have a baby brother, do we?
Yeah, we do. Well, we have a dog and we treat him so right.
We killed the dog. No, I'm just kidding. The dog is sitting over on the other side of the couch. Probably because when you kick the soccer ball into him in the face.
Oh no.
Ukraine, 0 out of 10.
No, it's Matthew.
Oh yeah. Egyptian EAS alarm. Sounds like the UK, except it makes my ears feel weird. It makes my ears vibrate, right? What you looking at, Bella?
Oh shit, did it on YouTube?
Okay.
That was just a video.
Oh no, ads, no!
I think I can.
Oh. Oh my god. Switzerland, what are you doing?
It's an ambulance.
Oh my god, it really does.
Well, it has an ambulance sign on it too.
Oh, it really does. Hey, you have a good eye. 0. Actually, no.
Now
3. It sounds like an ambulance and it looks like an ambulance. We can't like it.
Yeah, it's like the door is right there and that's the sign.
Okay, Turkish. The Turkish people are weird anyway, so 0 out of 10.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. Turkish people aren't weird.
they're like 1,600 billion.
The country name is weird though. Who would name a country Turkey?
Oh, yeah.
It's literally named Turkey.
Yeah, the people.
Sorry if you're someone Turkish watching this. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, because we hate you, Turkish.
No, we don't. Kosovian? Kind of like this one.
Yeah, but it's just singing. It's like this.
Okay, guys. We'll be back. Like for part 3.
Yeah.